Industrial turbines operate under harsh temperature conditions and high loads. Turbine oils are used to remove excess heat from the turbine components and reduce the friction in the bearings. The better they do their job, the better the turbines perform. Using oil contaminated with mechanical impurities and water leads to an increase in temperature and premature wear, as well as destruction of bearings and an increase in repair costs. Therefore, GlobeCore's task was to develop a new machine that would ensure effective purification of turbine oil to remove water and solid impurities, while at the same time moving easily in the confined space of power plants. This is just such a machine called CMM-4T, with a processing rate of 4.5 cubic meters per hour. To achieve the smallest possible dimensions, only two pumps are installed, a vacuum and an output pump. The function of the input pump is performed by the vacuum pump, which creates a vacuum in the vacuum chamber. This vacuum draws oil into the chamber through a mesh filter and a heater. The dimensions of the vacuum chamber has been reduced. To maintain high efficiency of oil drying, the chamber is filled with special circular insets. The size of each individual element is small, but due to the design of the ring, the oil spreads over its surface and forms a thin film, thus increasing the exposed contact area. Under the influence of vacuum, water intensively evaporates from the oil and is collected in condensate containers. Next, the output pump turns on and pumps the oil through fine filters to the outlet of the unit. The use of this technology reduces the moisture content of oil from 50 to 10 grams per ton, and a two-stage filtration system ensures the content of solid impurities of no more than 10 grams per ton. Also, the CMM-4T unit is equipped with all the sensors necessary for safe operation. Level sensors monitor the oil level in the vacuum chamber and send controlling signals to open or close solenoid valves. When foam appears, the foam sensor sends a signal to the valve to reduce it. The heater will not start until a flow switch detects oil flow. The current oil temperature is controlled by a temperature sensor, and a thermostat will shut off the heater in time to prevent the oil from overheating. Therefore, the operator can leave the unit running for a while and does not need to worry about the safety of its operation. Although the control of the unit is manual, it is quite simple. The control panel is equipped with a controller that displays information about the current condition of the unit, as well as buttons for controlling the pumps and the heater. After implementing all the design solutions, the overall dimensions of the machine are under 171 centimeters in length, 117 centimeters in width, and 169 centimeters in height. By putting the equipment on wheels, we finally solved the problem of developing an efficient, small, and mobile machine for drying and filtering turbine oils. Timely on-site purification of turbine oils with GlobeCore technology extends the oil lifespan and improves turbine reliability. How long do your turbine oil last? Leave your answers and opinions regarding the technology in the comments.